What is the main focus of Arunodaya scheme in Assam? Education, women welfare, employment, infrastructure. Doctor B. Women welfare. What is the name of the anti-car protest movement in Assam? Assam Unites, Save Assam, Assam Against Car, Assam Nagorik Mancha. Doctor B. Assam Against Car. Which document is used to identify indigenous people of Assam as per NRC? Aadhaar card, voter ID, legacy data, birth certificate. Doctor C. Legacy data. Swalgusi is famous for which Assamese product? Rice, tea, oil, silk. Doctor D. Silk. Which hill station is a major tourist attraction in Assam? Dispur, Haflong, Shivsagar, Tezpur. Doctor B. Haflong. Which park is famous for one-horned rhinoceros? Orang, Kaziranga, Nameri, Manas. Doctor B. Kaziranga. Which tourist place is famous for the Kamakya temple? Jorhat, Guwahati, Silchar, Nagaon. Doctor B. Guwahati. Where is the Nehru Stadium located in Assam? Jorhat, Guwahati, Silchar, Nagaon. Doctor B. Guwahati. Which Assamese sprinter is known as Dhing Express? Seva Thapa, Bhageshwar Barua, Hima Das, Lavlina Bargohain. Doctor C. Hima Das. Who is the first Assamese athlete to win a gold medal in Asian Games? Seva Thapa, Bhageshwar Barua, Hima Das, Lavlina Bargohain. Doctor B. Bhageshwar Barua. Which Assamese boxer won an Olympic bronze medal? Seva Thapa, Lavlina Bargohain, Ankushita Boyo, Hima Das. Doctor B. Lavlina Bargohain. Which is the most popular sport in Assam? Football, hockey, cricket, kabaddi. Doctor A. Football. Which town is known for the cement industry in Assam? Dhekibajuli, Bokajan, Difu, Teu. Doctor B. Bokajan.